If you've ever watched a video without sound or needed subtitles for better understanding, this feature can be a game changer. Today, I'll walk you through exactly how to turn on live caption step by step. Before we jump in, here's a quick explanation. Live caption automatically generates subtitles for audio and video playing in your browser, even if the video itself doesn't have captions. It works offline and in real time, which makes it super useful for accessibility or just convenience. Open Google Chrome. Click the 3 vertical dots in the top right corner of your Chrome browser. From the drop-down menu, select Settings. In the left sidebar, click on Accessibility. If you don't see it, you can type Live Caption in the search bar at the top of the settings page. Now click on the link button, and it will open the Windows 11 settings window on the accessibility page. Here, you'll see the Live Captions switch. Turn it on. Captions will now automatically appear at the bottom of your screen. You can drag the caption box anywhere and customize it through your system settings. In Windows settings, you can also adjust the background and text style of the live captions. And that's it. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out my other tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.